guys, today I'm doing a review of these M&M Meats Louisiana chicken wings. I've tried just several of their other ones. The barbecue one was kind of salty, so Jane's was a little too fatty. But yeah, we'll do a quick taste test of this. These are on sale, so here's the nutrient panel. If you guys want to read it, pause the video, and here's the ingredients. Alright, let's open this up. Alright, so they're decent size, so let's cook it up, and I'll do that. So here are the wings all done, so let's do a quick taste test. This is the Louisiana one, so let me just, get some meat here. That's not coming off. So I cooked in the air fryer, and there we go. These are very similar to the jumbo ones that you can get at M&M Meats. The only difference I would say is it's got some heat. So it's got a little bit of heat, like not buffalo heat, but minor heat. So definitely check it out, guys. If you want a little bit of heat to your wings, this is not a bad option. But it tastes exactly like the other one, so it's nice and seasoned. So yeah, so definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.